advanced trading strategy, combining RSI, Heikin ashi candles, and Fibonacci retracement for optimal position confirmation. In the realm of technical analysis, the integration of multiple indicators and tools can significantly enhance the precision of trade entries and exits. This strategy combines the Relative Strength Index RSI, Heikin ashi candles, and Fibonacci retracement levels to identify high-probability trading opportunities. Each component serves a distinct purpose, and their confluence provides a robust framework for confirming optimal positions in both trending and ranging markets. 1. Heikin ashi candles, smoothing price. Action. Heikin ashi candles are a modified version of traditional candlestick charts designed to filter out market noise and highlight the underlying trend. The formula for Heikin ashi candles incorporates average price movements, resulting in smoother trends and clearer visual patterns. Trend identification. Uptrend, a series of green, bullish candles with little to no lower wicks. Downtrend, a series of red, bearish candles with little to no upper wicks. Consolidation, small-bodied candles with long upper and lower wicks, indicating indecision. Advantage. Heikin ashi candles make it easier to identify trend continuations and reversals, reducing the likelihood of false signals. 2. Relative Strength Index, RSI. Momentum confirmation. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. It ranges from 0 to 100 and is typically used to identify overbought, above 70, and oversold, below 30 conditions. However, in this strategy, we focus on its ability to confirm trend strength and potential reversals. Divergence analysis. Bullish divergence. Price makes a lower low, but RSI makes a higher low, signaling potential upward momentum. Bearish divergence. Price makes a higher high, but RSI makes a lower high, signaling potential downward momentum. RSI thresholds. In strong uptrends, RSI may remain above 50, with pullbacks to 40 to 50 acting as support. In strong downtrends, RSI may remain below 50, with rallies to 50 to 60 acting as resistance. Thank you for liking the video. Let's go to the most important strategy from which you can learn a lot. Third, Fibonacci retracement. Key levels for entry and exit. Fibonacci retracement levels are horizontal lines that indicate potential support and resistance levels based on the Fibonacci sequence. These levels, 23.6%, 38.2%, 50%, 61.8%, and 78.6%, are drawn between a significant swing high and swing low. Application. In an uptrend, retracements to the 38.2%, 50%, or 61.8% levels often act as buying opportunities. In a downtrend, retracements to these levels often act as selling opportunities. The 61.8% level is particularly significant, as it often serves as a strong reversal zone. Fourth, strategy integration, confirming optimal positions. The synergy of Heikin ashi candles, RSI, and Fibonacci retracement levels provides a multi-layered confirmation system for trade entries and exits. Below is a step-by-step guide to implementing this strategy. 1. Identify the trend using Heikin ashi candles. Determine the prevailing trend, uptrend, downtrend, or consolidation based on the color and structure of Heikin ashi candles. 2. Apply Fibonacci retracement levels. Draw Fibonacci retracement levels between the most recent swing high and swing low. Focus on the 38.2%, 50%, and 61.8% levels as potential reversal zones. 3. Confirm momentum with RSI. In an uptrend, look for RSI to remain above 50 and bounce off the 40-50 zone during pullbacks. In a downtrend, look for RSI to remain below 50 and reject the 50-60 zone during rallies. Watch for bullish or bearish divergences to anticipate trend reversals. 4. Entry and exit points. Entry. Enter a trade when price retraces to a key Fibonacci level, e.g. 61.8%. Heikin ashi candles show trend continuation, e.g. a green candle in an uptrend, and RSI confirms momentum, e.g. bouncing off 50. Exit. Use trailing stops based on Heikin ashi candle reversals or take profit at the next Fibonacci extension level, e.g. 127.2% or 161.8%. Thank you for watching the video so far. I hope you can make the most of it. Watch the video related to the strategy.